Hey guys, in this video I will tell you about Ctrader and Tradelocker. Alright, let's begin. Ctrader is a powerful trading platform designed for Forex and CFD traders. It offers advanced charting tools, fast execution speeds, and a user-friendly interface. One of its key features is the depth of market tool, which gives traders insight into liquidity levels. Ctrader also supports automated trading through Ctrader Automate, allowing users to create and test trading bots. Another great feature is its one-click trading, which helps traders execute orders quickly. With its intuitive design and strong execution capabilities, Ctrader is a great choice for both beginner and professional traders. Next, Tradelocker is an emerging trading platform focused on accessibility and ease of use. It provides a clean, modern interface suitable for both new and experienced traders. One of its standout features is multi-device compatibility, allowing users to trade seamlessly from desktops, tablets, or smartphones. Tradelocker also offers integrated risk management tools, helping traders set stop-loss and take profit levels effortlessly. Another benefit is its real-time market data, ensuring users have the latest price updates. Both platforms offer unique advantages. Ctrader is ideal for those seeking advanced tools and automation, while Tradelocker is perfect for traders who prioritize simplicity and accessibility. So that's basically all about Ctrader and Tradelocker. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.